Hello! Today I am sharing a fantastic recipe for zero-carb cheese chips and the ultimate answer to carby options. To start, take some sliced cheese of your choice and cut them into triangles. Any semi-hard cheese like mozzarella, cheddar, Gouda will do. Next, carefully arrange the cheese triangles on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And don't worry about the spacing, the cheese slices will actually shrink. I like to sprinkle them with salt, and today I'm going to flavor them with truffle parmesan and black garlic powder I have found at Costco. Place the baking sheet with the seasoned cheese triangles in a preheated oven at 210 Fahrenheit 100 Celsius for 1 hour. This low temperature allows the cheese to dehydrate slowly, resulting in a perfectly puffy chip. After the first hour, increase the oven temperature to 290 Fahrenheit 145 Celsius for an additional 4 minutes. This higher temperature will make them pop and give them a golden finish and an extra crunch. Our crunchy zero-carb cheese chips, beautifully golden and ready to enjoy. Try dipping these chips in a homemade yogurt garlic sauce. It completes the cheesy crunch perfectly.